In this video series, I work through a few related math problems each video. Some word problems ask us to find integers that differ by just 1 or 2 each. We use the term consecutive to describe integers that differ by 1, while we use the phrases consecutive even and consecutive odd to describe integers that differ by 2 each and are even or odd, respectively. When working through these problems, we can let x represent the smallest number in the group of integers we're looking for. If we're looking for consecutive integers, we can use expressions x plus 1, x plus 2, and so on to represent the larger integers. If we are looking for consecutive even or consecutive odd integers, we can let x plus 2, x plus 4, and so on represent the larger integers. Now, let's take a look at the problems. First, we're asked to determine 3 consecutive integers that add up to 24. Since we have consecutive integers, they differ by 1. So we start out with x. The next largest number is x plus 1. And the biggest number is x plus 2. We're told that when we add them together, we get 24. So x plus 1 plus x plus 2 is equal to 24. Since we don't have any numbers in front of either parenthesis, we can go ahead and remove both sets of parentheses and combine the like terms together. We have x, x, and x. When we add them together, we get 3x. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now we can subtract 3 from both sides of the equation. When we do, on the left-hand side, we are left with 3x. And on the right-hand side, 24 minus 3 is equal to 21. Then we divide both sides by 3, which gives us x is equal to 7. So the smallest number is 7, the next largest number is 8, and the largest number is 9. Next, we need to determine 3 consecutive odd integers, such that 3 times the smallest integer is 5 bigger than the sum of the 2 larger integers. Here, we're working with 3 consecutive odd integers, so we'll use x, x plus 2, and x plus 4. We'll use these expressions to represent our integers. Now, let's write the equation using information that's given to us. First, we have 3 times the smallest integer. The smallest integer is x, so when we multiply that by 3, we get 3x. Next, we have is 5 bigger than. So is translates to the equal sign, and 5 bigger than means we're adding 5 to something. So let me write plus 5 at the end of the right hand side. Then we have the sum of the 2 larger integers. The 2 larger integers are x plus 2 and x plus 4. And the sum of those two numbers are represented by x plus 2 plus x plus 4. Once again, since we're adding these two expressions together and we don't have any numbers in front of either parenthesis, we can go ahead and remove the parenthesis and combine the like terms on the right hand side. When we do, we get x plus x is equal to 2x, and then we add the numbers together. 2 plus 4 plus 5. 2 plus 4 is 6, and 6 plus 5 is 11. Now we subtract 2x from both sides of the equation. 3x minus 2x is equal to x. So the smallest number out of the three is 11. The middle number is 13, and the largest number is 15.